Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my desk. It is now pushing midnight, but I have something insane I need to share.
Now, taking Would You Still Love Me If I Were a Worm to the next level, let's say you are an insect. How would you make babies without making babies? Now, the answer is parthenogenesis, which is the act of making babies without making babies. It's a type of asexual reproduction. This here is Wolbachia, which is a genus of gram-negative bacteria, and it turns out it does a lot more cool shit than I actually realized.
Now, giving the too long didn't read version, this here is a species of cosmopolitan isopod called Porcellioneides pruinosus. The presence of Wolbachia in this species induces feminization, basically meaning it induces a genetic mutation in the males, which turns them into females, and in turn allows them to reproduce via parthenogenesis.
Now, something really cool I've learnt tonight. This particular species of cosmopolitan isopod is called Armadillidium vulgare. Now, Wolbachia can destroy the female chromosomes, causing offspring to become predominantly male, and then in turn, in those populations where the female chromosomes have been destroyed by the Wolbachia, they then become reliant on the Wolbachia for feminization of the males to produce females to then produce via parthenogenesis. This is because Wolbachia relies on horizontal transfer via females exclusively and not the males. So it's in their favor just to kill off the males.
Now, another example of feminization is in this particular moth species, Ostrinia scapularis, where infected males, as they're going through development, just develop into females instead.
But this is where it gets really interesting. This is a Drosophila melanogaster. It's a type of fruit fly, very, very common in scientific research. And it's been found that the presence of Wolbachia bacteria basically ends up increasing its resistance to other viruses, which would ordinarily kill it off. And now getting to the really cool shit. This is a type of mosquito, Aedes aegypti. And the presence of Wolbachia reduces the efficacy of this mosquito transmitting other viruses to humans, such as dengue fever and Ross River fever, but it also reduces their lifespan. So it acts as a form of very aggressive population control. And because of these findings, it's actually being used as a means of pest control and a way to minimize the risk of them being vectors to viral transmission in humans.
Anyway, it's very, very cool. I'm still kind of going through reading some stuff about it at the moment. But yeah, how cool is that?